Get into a car with value. 2022 Dodge Durango. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Dodge Durango, the powerful, full-size, three-row SUV that blends rugged capability with refined, state-of-the-art comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, all-wheel drive, heated rear seat. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.